Want to download videos, photos, or files from a private Telegram group, but don't know how? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step methods to save media from private Telegram groups without needing admin access. Let's dive in.
So for the sake of this video, I have created a private Telegram channel which I have joined using this Android device. So you can see, if I tap on the channel name and then tap on the channel settings, you can see that the channel type is private. In order to download a video from a private channel like this, when the admin uploads a video, it will just allow the video to load as it should normally. Then, by the time you are able to play it, the video would have already been downloaded successfully on your device, and you can share the file or manipulate it as you like. To do that, you will need to go to the Play Store and then search for Files by Mac Apps and Software. And hit install. It will take a few seconds. Then you can open it. Now, it will show you all the folders on your device. So tap on Android and tap on Data. And then you see this folder with a long name, org.telegram. And then tap on it. Tap on Files and tap on Telegram. And then finally tap on Telegram Video.
And that's it. Now you know how to download videos, photos, and files from private Telegram groups. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions.